Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I have a special guest. I'm filming a Get Ready With Me today because I'm here at like a little staycation. I thought it'd be fun. So I got dressed. I don't know if this is going to be my outfit, but I'll show you later. I'm just going to do my skincare now. First, just going to cleanse. I'll be doing a skincare routine again soon with the products that I've been using. I'm not going to go into detail, but I need to brush my teeth first. I'm raining so well right now. Teeth are brushed. So yeah, we're in Rotterdam. I'm gonna be posting a vlog after this video of our little staycation. So stay tuned for that. I feel like I want to wear something different today. Yeah. Using a toner. I'll show you guys the view in a second. It's really pretty, but it's raining really bad right now. Jenny denkt echt mij, oh my god, show me your apartment. Ik zeg, what? It's not mine. So the staycation said, oh, I thought you and Slavian moved into an apartment together. I'll check my show. Some SPF, guys. Protect the skin. Even though there's no sun at the moment. So what are you doing? Yep, you still want to put it on. I'm gonna sit in front of the window there when I do my makeup. We can get up close and personal. Close and personal. I look like a schoolgirl right now, especially with my hair up like this. But we're gonna make it look cute, I promise. Put on some lip mask. That's a lot much. Okay, let's go do my makeup. Wait, let me also show you the view. This is our view right now. It's raining. This is the other side of the view. Very rainy. Looks pretty good. I need to do my baby hairs first. They look very rough. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I just brought like kind of an everyday makeup bag. Let me do my baby hairs by the mirror real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, did my baby hairs. Now let's do some makeup. Pretty much yesterday when I did my makeup, which is on the vlog, I just put down all these products that I put all the products that I used in a bag. So I'm just doing the exact same makeup I did yesterday. I need to wet my beauty blender. It'll feel like it. I'll do that again. Just keep having to get up, dude. Okay, now we can really get started. So like I said, we're on a staycation in Rotterdam, and honestly, I've completely fallen in love with the city. I feel like Amsterdam used to be my favorite city, but I think it's Rotterdam now. I love it so much. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror because I didn't bring that big one. So yeah, I've like fallen in love with the city, and I really want to get a high-rise apartment next year. Which there's a lot of in this city. Like in our country in general, there's not a whole lot of high-rise apartments, but Rotterdam has a lot, so I feel like that would be like the perfect place to get one. I need to take out my braids. Yeah, they are getting dirty. You know those little crusts that just get like bunched up in the base of your braids? It's not cute. Oh yeah, I use the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I always use this with the Benefit Professional. I haven't really been trying a whole lot of new makeup lately, like especially not complexion products. I do kind of want to, so if you guys know any good new products that I should try, let me know. Because I do kind of want to do that again. But I just don't really experiment with makeup anymore. I'm way more into fashion now than I was when I first, I guess, did YouTube. I used to do Get Ready With Me's all the time. But now it's just kind of like fashion videos, you know? So I'm gonna wear a foundation, which I haven't really been wearing lately, but yesterday was the first time in a long time. So I'm using the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover Foundation in Nude 7.5. It's a little bit light, I feel like, but I can get away with it. I'm just gonna make it work. It's not too bad. Like finding a perfect foundation shade is just really hard. I like that this one's just like very natural. Kind of evens out the skin tone, but it doesn't cover too much, which I like. I'm not really into full coverage anymore. Okay, 10 out of 10 recommend. And then I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow concealer in Golden, just to cover underneath my eyes before I go in with a highlight, like a really light color, and also around my mouth. I really like this concealer because it just looks really good. It doesn't get cakey, like I really like it. Just blending that in. Should zoom in, maybe. There you go. Better. I'm using my vlog camera to film today because I didn't want to bring like all my stuff. I'm using the same concealer but in Mahogany to do some contouring and bronzing, I guess. More so bronzing, cream bronzing. It's like a very subtle bronze and I really like it. It kind of gives that like golden look and blends in so nicely with the skin. Like these concealers are perfect for cream contouring and bronzing, so definitely check them out. And they're also just really affordable, which is nice. It's on my nose. You see how like good that looks, just like skin? My nails are getting so dirty. I already feel my back just giving up. Using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Warm Beige, just for some highlighting these fucking under eye bags. They're not cute. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit while I work on my brows. For my brows, what I've been doing, I laminate my brows at home, so they're pretty tamed. So I use the Benefit Gimme Brow in number 5, and I just start brushing this through, and this kind of gives it a little bit of color, which I like, but it doesn't like fully fill them in, if that makes any sense. You can tell that gives it some color, and then I go through it with a spoolie. My back hurts. Oh. I go through with the spoolie and then shape it kind of like that, and then I go in with that NYX concealer, the lighter one, and I use a flat little brush to carve them out. I think that really just cleans them up. It doesn't even matter if you fill them in a lot or not, it just cleans them up instantly. Blend that out, and it's done. Can't believe I used to have like ombre brows. Oh, dude. At the time that was so cute, but now I'm like natural all the way. I do also have a brow pencil with me, I think. Yeah, just in case there's like spots that I want to fill in a bit, but I'm gonna do that after. Like right here, I feel like you need some brow pencil. I'm gonna use the NYX Fill and Fluff brow pencil in the color Espresso, just to fill in some sparse areas right here. Now I'm going to blend out this concealer, and since I've let it sit, it just kind of like sets down there so you get more coverage, and I really like that. You see how that just brightens up my face? Pretty sure I learned that trick from Jackie Aina. Oh my god, my back hurts so bad, dude. I'm done. I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna blend out everything and then just go ahead and set it. Blend out like any creases on my smile lines. And then my nose. I really like the precedent because I do get oily. And then also on my forehead. Now my sweater has powder all over it. And then I go in with a fluffy brush and take some on the cap and just blend it onto my face because I am wearing foundation now, so I want to set that down before I go in with bronzer, or else it's just going to be kind of muddy looking. I'm going to set around my brows. Still going to go in with another brow gel later, so if they get a little messy now, it's fine. I'm going to keep my powder out because I'm going to bronze, and sometimes I want to kind of clean up the contour of the bronze. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match powder, and I don't know, but it looks like this. It's dark. I used to use this every single day as my bronzer, and I've recently just started using it again because I really like it. I'm using this fluffy Bare Minerals brush and just bronzing it up. I really like this. And I also do it on my nose. And then I'm going in with the Bare Minerals bronzer in Faux Tan. And I'm gonna use a small brush to contour a bit. And then also use a fluffier brush. A bit more of the L'Oreal. And I'm gonna go in with some more powder. And then blending it out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bare Minerals highlighter in Free. And putting that all over. And I'm using the NARS Orgasm blush with this fluffy Zoeva brush and just I love this blush. Putting it a bit on my nose bridge like that. And then I'm gonna go in with the going in with the Bare Minerals Genu Latte eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this color down here, just on a little brush. I think these got squished in my bag, but it's fine. Just to add a crease and a little bit underneath. And then I'm going in with the darker color and a angled brush, and I'm just gonna line a little bit of my top lash line, and then bringing it out a tiny bit, like doing the tiniest little wing, but barely noticeable, like kind of just following my eye shape. And then I'm gonna spray my face with the NYX Matte and the Radiant Finish. I love these. I'm just going to use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Like I said, just to really just set everything in place. This is like one of the best brow gels. I'm using Freck for my freckles and beauty spots. I finally got a big one. Finally found it. It's a lifesaver. I have such shaky hands. It's not good. Lastly, I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Lashtopia mascara and just putting that on my lashes. This is a really good mascara. It is kind of clumpy, but I like it a lot. Okay. I'm gonna put it half and half down.
Do I feel?
Ja.
Oh! Wat zou je maken?
Ja, same. Ja?
Ik weet niet waarom.
Ik denk het ook.
Met je lichaam, je ziet me niet. Ik vind echt make-up toch moeilijk vinden, moet ik zeggen.
Ja?
Zo.
Kiet.
Nee, dat weet ik. Wat heb ik nog gedaan?
Forgot my lips. Did you get some lip gloss? Okay, I just need to put on some lip gloss. Putting on the NARS. Oh my god. Putting on the NARS lip gloss and No Regrets. Can't see much, but also running out of this. This is the makeup done. Look like a little schoolgirl. I'm gonna show you my outfit and then we're finished. So this is the fit. I'm wearing it with my Dior bag. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe so that you can see the vlog from when we were here. And if you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe and follow me on my Instagram because I love talking to you guys on there. And yeah, send in the DMs and talk to me. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.